Hello, my name is Chuck. I've been prompted to make a video to share my experience awakening, and hopefully it resonates or helps somebody out there. I know I've relied on lots of YouTubers. Um, at some point in the last year, I've stopped going on social media and listening to music as much as I've been just going to YouTube to watch the latest videos in Ascension, you know. So I've come a long ways. I am a light worker, and most of you know what that is. Some of you may not, but there are lots of videos on it out there. But it's all about holding space and hoping for a better life for all of us, humans and living creatures and Mother Earth. Because there are a lot of people that destroy the earth and have no respect for her, and that needs to stop. I have been learning to do healing with crystals, and it's amazing the feeling you get when you start working with them and feeling their powers, and I just start educating myself, trying to learn as much as possible about all the different crystals and what they do, and they really make a big difference. And I still work construction because I haven't found out a way to pay bills and put food on the table without it, but I do everything I can to make it as bearable as possible. So sometimes I'll carry crystals in my pockets and touch them to my skin every once in a while when I have a chance during break or something, just to feel that love and energy. It's healing energy from Gaia, from Source. And it's weird, sometimes when I've forgotten to take crystals with me and I'm at work, boom, I just walk up on a couple of them. They're everywhere. So it always makes me smile, makes me feel better, lightens the mood. On the weekend, every weekend, I try to get out in nature. I don't care how cold it is. It's been icy and snowy these last few days, and I've been outside. I usually go on walks because where I live, there's a river, there's a bunch of trees, there's parks, and it's just beautiful. I love it. It's my favorite place to be. And I just walk around and just be with nature, basically. And the coolest thing about it is I do some of my best thinking and self-exploring while I'm walking around in nature. And some people might frown upon the use of weed, but that also gives me a feeling of love and nature, like a closest to nature. And that's really all I use it for. I don't like to party or anything, but I do like to smoke when I go on my walks, and I feel everything stronger. There's just something about it. It lets all the stress go away, gives me more time to reflect on self and on the big picture of New Earth, and it's I find that while I'm taking my walks, I happen to come behind people who have no respect for Gaia, Mother Earth, and they like to throw garbage out. There's a couple of fast food places nearby, and so I'm always finding McDonald's bags and wrappers and cups. And today I even found a pizza box just laying on the side of the road. I don't get mad. It's not my place. I'm a neutral party, but between me and Mother Earth, I'm gonna pick it up. This morning I had a trash bag and I filled it. And the saddest part about it is there's trash cans everywhere. Yet, in between trash cans, I find trash. I don't get it. I don't know who they're rebelling against, but it shouldn't be Mother Earth. Meditation is another thing that has really helped me. I started doing it a little over a year ago. I didn't really think much of it when my wife would tell me. Then when I was going through a bunch of anger issues, I found some of the only things that helped was meditation. I felt like I wasn't myself, and I'd lash out at my family and make them feel sad, and that wasn't me. And what I found was when I did meditations, that would just lift and go away. So, especially like chakra cleansing meditation at that time. Now I try to do a lot of different ones. It's really just, you don't even need music, you just need a quiet space. And you can meditate with crystals if you're into that. And that amplifies it big time. And it really helps me clear out any negativity within myself. And it's getting stronger, the more I've been doing it. So I know it's a good thing. I recently found videos on healing the inner child and clearing out blockages from your past. And so I've been working on that, and it's awesome. One of the methods that I use that works for me is journaling. I just start writing about something or look at old pictures around that time period and start journaling about it. And I've cleared a lot of things up that way. Like, it just comes out. It's strange how it all comes together when you're heading in the right direction. And synchronicities have been a wonderful thing in that when you're heading in the right direction and you happen to look at the clock and it's 3:33 or 4:44, 11:11. It always gives me a boost of confidence that I'm on the right track, that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. And I just try to listen, I'm being guided by my higher self, spirit guides, Gaia. I communicate with Gaia a lot. There's a different kind of love there. When I'm in nature, I have a strong love, and I feel my happiest. And my higher self is like a mentor, just telling me things from a different point of view and helping me figure out truths. Because in this society, we've been boxed in by lies. Like all the things that we're taught to respect and see as authority and all that, it's all bullshit. It's all there to control us and to keep us in this loop, doing it over and over and over and over. But obviously we're tired of it. Earth is tired of it. I don't listen to music anymore because I feel like that is part of the brainwashing. That's part of the control. I still love music. You know, sometimes I'll listen to some of my old favorites, but not like I used to. When I'm driving to work or driving home from work, I rarely turn on the radio anymore. I like to use that time to reflect. And if I'm coming home from work and I'm in a bad mood because it was stressful, because being an electrician is pretty stressful, um, what I like to do is look around and just state out loud. It's just me. It's me and the spirits, and I say what I'm appreciative for. You know, I look around the trees. I love the sight of the trees. During the summer, a butterfly comes by. I appreciate that. That's another synchronicity. Comes over to give you a smile, you know, when you may be upset, and you get to see a deer or a flock of birds move as one. Those are the simpler things that I find pleasure in now, rather than media and you know, a bunch of trendy stuff. But you just gotta keep learning, keep waking up. It gets really hard at times. I think I've made it past what they call the dark night of the soul a couple of times, maybe, where you're going through stuff and you're feeling Ascension symptoms, pains, aches, discomforts, illness, get colds, and it's no fun. But if you just always keep in mind that it's going to get better, just have to get through it, it's going to be awesome. And it's already been getting kind of unbelievable at times. You know, when you start manifesting things on accident, it's a pretty cool feeling. So hang in there, hit the like button, subscribe. If I get enough feedback or just, you know, enough people watching my video, then hey, maybe I'll make another video. I wasn't really sure what to say in this one, so I just put together stuff that I've been learning over the last year and things that I do on a daily basis now to maintain and keep going in the right direction. So hopefully it's helpful to someone out there. Just remember, it's all about love. See ya.